Find the value of x using log table. If 1.05 raised to x is equal to 10 divided by 3. Apply log on both the sides. Log 1.05 raised to x is equal to log of, here there is a formula. Log m by n means log m minus log n. So here I am going to write log 10 minus log 3. Now this is of this formula m raised to n. So I am going to write x log of 1.05. Always remember log 10 means it is 1 minus. Now go to log table. You will never find 3 there. So you have to look for 30 in that 0th column. So it is 0.4771. Now again go to log table. There you have to see for 10th and 5th column. So it is 0, 2, 1, 2. Since there is a 1 here, you have to write 0. Okay. Now subtract this with the help of calculator. So it will be 0.5229. Okay. Now x is equal to 0.5229 and this will go to denominator 0.0212. Now again solve this by calculator. You will get x value as a 24.67 approximately. So this completes your answer. Very simple.